just here going to draw a dinosaur skeleton.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun and really cute. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start? Because we're using our markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps our markers last a lot longer. So if you're using markers, we recommend getting some of this paper. Let's start by drawing our skeleton, our dinosaur's eye. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper. Yeah, right about here. And I'm going to draw almost more of an oval shape. I like that you drew it bigger. I want to draw mine that size. I'm going to draw mine bigger. And actually, this is going to work out pretty good because on the inside, that's going to look more 3D. If you want to add a 3D line too, that would be cool. Yeah, there you go. No mistakes, right? Mm-hmm. And then we're going to color in the inside of our eye. Now let's draw the top of our dinosaur's head. We're going to draw a curve that comes over the eye like this, and then we're going to come across, and then we're going to come back down too. Yes, good job. Then we're going to draw our dinosaur's teeth. We're going to draw zigzag lines that come maybe to about there. We don't have to go all the way. Then let's draw an S curve. We're going to go up, down, and then we're going to connect back here where we started. Yes, now let's draw the bottom of our dinosaur's mouth or the jaw. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a curve or a line that comes forward and we're going to stop right underneath the teeth. Then we're going to draw more sharp teeth coming across. Then we're going to draw the jaw, the bottom of the jaw coming under like this, and we can curve and connect it. It's okay that our two drawings don't look exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Yeah, remember to have fun and practice. It's okay if your drawings look different too. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw our dinosaur's body. Let's start here. Oh, right here. And we're going to draw the letter U. But it's coming down like this, and then we're going to come up like that. And it's okay that it's kind of wobbly and wavy because we're drawing bones, right?
Yeah.
Next, let's draw a straight line or diagonal that comes across. And then we're going to draw another line right here. Let's draw the bones. Now we're going to draw two little short lines going in. This looks like the spine.
Oh, yeah.
And then let's draw the ribs. We're going to draw a line that comes down and then curves out. Then we're going to draw the ribs coming this way, and we can let's add 3 lines for the ribs. Then let's draw, one more, and then we can draw a little oval down here at the very bottom. Next, let's draw the legs, and we're going to draw little individual bones for the legs. So first, let's draw, it looks like a sideways 3. That's for the end of the bone. Then we're going to draw 2 lines coming down. And then we're going to draw a sideways 3 for the end of the bone. Okay, now let's draw one more. We're going to draw another sideways 3 right here. And then we're going to draw, this time let's draw the 2 lines coming back a little ways, like a diagonal line. We're going to make our dinosaur look like it's running.
Oh.
And then we can add a sideways 3 for the end of the bone. Now let's draw the feet. And we're going to draw 3 ovals. 1, 2, 3. Next, let's repeat all of those same steps for the second leg, but let's draw it sticking out a little bit to the front. So I'm going to draw this a little faster because we're repeating those same steps. So I'm drawing this leg coming out like this. And then we're going to draw bending back like this, and then sideways 3, and then the 3 ovals. I went really fast. So what can our friends do if they need extra time?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right. I like your dinosaur legs, and those feet
The toes are magnificent.
Yeah, they're super cute. Now let's draw our dinosaur's arms, and we're going to draw really short arms. So let's do the same thing for the bones. Let's just draw one little arm bone sticking out like this. really small. Oh, I'm going to do another one while we're here. I'm going to draw another. This one's maybe bending down a little bit further. So we got 2 bones for the arms. Yes, and then let's draw 2 claws. I'm going to draw, it looks like a sideways W. What's our dinosaur missing?
The tail.
Yeah, let's add a tail. I'm going to draw it coming out straight like this, and then we're going to come back. You could curve it, but I'm drawing it straight.
It's like a stinger.
It does look like a stinger, like on a bee. You can curve, yeah, you can curve yours if you want.
I'll just do a little curve.
Okay. Yes, and then a little point at the end and curve back. Then let's draw the little short lines going this way for the bones, coming out all the way. I like your tail curved much better.
I like your bee stinger.
Oh, thanks. Now we still got to add the little nostril right here. Oh, we could also make it look 3D. And then my favorite part, let's trace around our dinosaur. We're going to leave a little bubble shape around. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to try to draw it pretty close to the bones. And this will look like the skin or the outside shape of our dinosaur. And I'm also turning my paper sideways. Sometimes that makes it a little easier. But we're just going to go around. And then with the bones on the legs, I'm just going to draw straight lines or like curve like this. And we could also draw zigzags for the toes.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll come up for the legs. And same thing down here, zigzags. And then we'll come up for the arms. Are going to be a little tricky because they're so close to the legs. So I'm going to go like this. And we'll come around this one too. Yeah, the arms are really close to each other, so that's okay if you can't go in between them. And then I'm going to come just maybe a little ways into the mouth, and then we'll come back out and then connect where we started. You did it, Hadley. Good job. Now we have one more thing to do, and that's to color in everything except for the bones. So we're going to color around like this, in between that outside line and our bones. And this is going to make it look really cool, almost like an x-ray if our dinosaur went to the doctor and got x-rayed. But this part we will fast forward because it will take us a little while to color this all in. So remember to pause the video and take extra time to do this also on your drawing. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our dinosaur skeleton, and I especially love the little heart you added.
I like your candy corn.
Yeah, thanks. That's what my dinosaur is thinking about, is candy. Remember, you can also add whatever you want to your drawings. You can even add a background or even more dinosaur skeletons. Oh, maybe different dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, like a stegosaurus.
Oh yeah, that would be really cool with the spikes on the back. You could also even add more color to your dinosaur. We left them white for bones, but you could also add shading, maybe gray or blue. You could also even just color your dinosaur pink if you wanted.
Yeah, we hope you had a lot of fun drawing a dinosaur skeleton.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.